This company is creating an artificial nose because they want to be able to diagnose anything from breast cancer to epilepsy with a simple breathing out. Let me explain. Almost every disease alters our body in a way that can leave little traces. We call them biomarkers. And this is why we traditionally perform things like blood tests or biopsies to see those microscopic changes that tell us if we're sick and what we're sick with. Usually when we get sick, the process has already been happening for several days or weeks before we realize it. But what about our breath? The scientists at NOZE realized those microscopic changes, those biomarkers, are also present in our breath. If we create an artificial nose, which essentially breathes in this air we breathe out and tells us what are those changes, we could use it in order to predict diseases. And this could be huge for 3 reasons. Let's take, for example, breast cancer, the second most common type of cancer in the entire world. Besides our best efforts, we are still at only 75% of women getting screened each year. The screening test, a mammogram, exposes women to radiation, which comes with an inherited risk. It can also be a very painful procedure, and more than that, it costs $4 billion a year. And this is where an artificial nose could be huge. Not only will this testing be accessible to more women, not only will it cost us less, it will also come with virtually no risk. The patient simply has to breathe into the device, and the device analyzes the sample and uploads all data into the cloud, so no doctor or lab visit is required. NOZE is currently conducting 6 separate clinical studies for 6 different disorders in order to assess whether this is a viable solution, because we still need to determine how accurate this test is and whether there are any limitations that we need to take into account. What do you think?